Welcome back to Deep Soul Healing. In our last episode, we explored manifestation through soul consciousness, aligning intention, emotion, and energy to co-create your highest life. Today we turn to one of the most transformative areas of life, relationships. Healing is not complete without understanding how to form authentic, conscious connections with others. Relationships reflect our inner world. They can either mirror unresolved wounds or amplify our growth. When we learn to see them consciously, relationships become catalysts for healing and alignment. Authentic relationships are built on boundaries, knowing and honoring your needs, self-awareness, understanding your patterns, triggers, and projections, compassion, both for yourself and others, and mutual growth, supporting each other's evolution rather than relying on each other for validation. Psychologically, we often unconsciously seek partners or friends who mirror our unresolved trauma. This is why certain patterns repeat: codependence, codependent caretaking, or constant conflict. Recognizing these patterns is the first step toward creating conscious relationships. Ask yourself, am I seeking someone to fill a void or to share joy and growth? Which of my patterns are being triggered and why? How can I communicate my needs clearly without fear? When you respond instead of react, you break the cycle of unconscious attachment and build bonds that nourish the soul. Spiritually, authentic relationships honor the soul in both parties. They move beyond ego-driven expectations to mutual resonance and support. Conscious love is not about possession or dependence. It's about connection that reflects wholeness, where two people meet as complete beings, encouraging growth, compassion, and alignment with higher purpose. Today, reflect on one relationship in your life. Ask yourself, where can I bring more awareness and clarity? Where might I be projecting old wounds? And what small action can I take to communicate my truth with love and integrity? Remember, authentic relationships begin with yourself. The more aligned you are, the more naturally your relationships reflect that alignment. Building authentic relationships is one of the most profound acts of social healing. It teaches us compassion, presence, and the beauty of connecting from wholeness rather than neediness. In our next and final episode of this series, we'll explore your life as a living practice, how to integrate all tools from astrology, psychology, and spirituality for ongoing alignment and soul embodiment.